Imagine a world without dolphins or sea turtles. Scary, right? Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in our ocean. Marine animals like turtles and fish are swallowing this plastic, mistaking it for food. Sad, isn't it? But it's not all doom and gloom. We can help. Simple actions like reducing plastic use, recycling, and participating in beach cleanups can make a big difference. Did you know that by 2050 there could be more plastic in the ocean than fish? Shocking, right? But we have the power to change this. So next time you're at the beach, pick up some trash or say no to single-use plastics. Every little bit helps. Together we can protect our marine friends and keep our oceans beautiful. Join the wave of change. Act now and let's save our seas.